Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Kia ProCeed. Now of course you get your LED daytime running lights, you then get your halogen projector housing headlights, then we've got these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of these 17-inch alloy wheels, of the design pattern and the condition. Around to the rear now, we've got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. We've also got a detachable tow bar at the rear as well. Then into the tailgate itself, you can see that we have plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with the boot floor. You can then pull out this privacy shelf just here, which will ensure maximum privacy for any belongings kept inside the tailgate. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth interior with your leather accents. You've then got electric windows all round, keyless entry and start. Inside we have your 6-speed manual gearbox, dual climate control with 2 front heated seats and a heated steering wheel. We then also have your infotainment display, which comes with your satellite navigation. We've then also got all your various media sources on here as well. So you've got DAB, FM, AM, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, and of course, if you fancy it, sounds of nature. Then over to the left, we've got your volume, track select, Bluetooth hands-free voice assistant. This button here will select through your sources. Over to the right, you've got your lane departure warning, cruise control on the right-hand side as well, which you can see there. Then of course you have your onboard computer control just to the inside. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this Kia has done 28,590 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia ProCeed, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.